Swear I can joke. I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Fuck your ribbons and your pearls. Cause I'm not just a pretty girl. I'm more than just a picture. I'm a daughter and a sister. Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a rumor or a song on your computer. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great wherever you guys are. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. And yeah, I'm kind of back posting a new video guys for you guys. I hope you guys missed me. I missed recording. I hope I'll record more in the future. I really want to get back into it. Let me know if you guys like my videos, like the video, and if you guys want to see more. Obviously subscribe down below so you guys can know when I post new videos, or hit the bell notification on so it alerts you when I post new videos as well. And today we're going with this new summery makeup look that I have going on, a summer makeup look, which is super easy to recreate. I use like 3 or 4 eyeshadows, so it's super easy. So it's really easy. And the lip color, you can obviously change it to whatever color you guys want, but I thought this combination like actually matched super perfect. So you go with a new lip, a glossy lip, or any other bold lip you guys want. But yeah, so if you guys want to know how to recreate this makeup summery yellow look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my primer. I already moisturized my face with my Pond's moisturizing cream, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this Hourglass Veil mineral primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face. It is a little sample just because I ran out of my other primer. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Best Damn Beauty lip mask, I believe it's called. The Best Damn Lip Mask, yes, from this YouTuber called Nicole Guerrero. She made like her own line, and this lip mask is super good. You guys should try it out. It's really good. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on my face just to kind of hydrate the face, since the primer, it is a little bit, it's like a smoothing primer, so it kind of dries out my skin a little bit just because I have dry skin. And I'm using the Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with Olay, herbs, and rose water. So it does come in 3 different colors, I believe so. And I'll be taking this like the orange color one, and just spray it all over my face. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Granite, the darkest shade they have. And I'm using this e.l.f. What is it called? Small angled brush. I did use a different brush before, but I lost it. It was from ColourPop. It came with my order for free, like a small little brush, and I loved it, but I lost it, and I need to find that new brush. So yeah, so I'm using this one for now.
Pretty girl.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my NARS concealer. This is the shade Dark for me. It's kind of like my skin tone color. So this is in the shade Biscuit Medium Dark 1. So I'm using it as my primer for my eyes for when I'm doing my eyes right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some. And then with this Morphe M224 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this out. So now with my Morphe M167 brush, which is like a flat brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go into my Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. I'm gonna be taking the shade Instinct, which is kind of this pinky, dusty pink rose kind of shade. And I'm just gonna go ahead and lay that onto my base and kind of set the concealer, just so the colors later on will blend better. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this Morphe palette that I have. It's the 12NB palette, which has more like of the summery bronzy tone shades that I'm looking for. So we're gonna go ahead and work around this palette. Okay, so next I'm gonna be taking my Morphe 200 M200 brush, which is just a fluffy brush. And I'm gonna be taking, so I think I'm just gonna be using this kind of orangey bronzy shade tone to start off with. So I'm just gonna dip a little bit into it, not too much, and dust off the excess and start building up into the crease. Okay, so I'm switching to the Tarte palette that I used before, and I'm gonna go and take the shade Ember, which is this one right here, more darker brown. So I'm gonna be taking that Ember shade right here, dark brown, and really focus it into my outer corner of the eye. So I'm gonna be taking some of the concealer that I use for my face. I'm just applying it onto this. And we're gonna create like a nice cut crease kind of thing going on into our eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it and carve out what I want my yellow eyeshadow to be. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet our brush that we're gonna use for the eyeshadow a little bit, just wet it. And I'm gonna go ahead and take our ColourPop eyeshadow and dip it in here. And apply where our concealer is. Alright, so now that we have both colors on, I'm just going to go ahead back with the palette and take a little bit of, I'm going to go back with the Morphe palette and take a little bit of this dark brown shadow and just kind of blend the whole look together. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner in the shade Black, and I'm going to go ahead and create some wing liner in my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelashes with this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Primer. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit. It is white, but it does dry out. It dries clear, so I'm just going to add a little bit of this. I love it because it preps your lashes. It preps your lashes for mascara, and it kind of voluminize them a little bit, and I like it. Okay, so while my eyelashes are setting and I'm gonna look with the gliss for a few seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and put foundation on my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick in the shade Y405, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Bare Minerals Precision Face Brush and blend this out. So now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and put concealer on. I do mix these two, the one I showed you already, the NARS, and the Maybelline Fit Me one in the shade medium. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the dark one and then the medium on top. You can see my mascara is getting off. Like, it's not that white anymore. So I'm gonna be blending it with my blush brush from e.l.f. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly set my face a little bit. I'm using this fluffy brush and using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium 20. And then the one that I use for concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and take more powder and just really set that in. Okay, so for my powder not to be so dry and kind of cakey, I go ahead and spray a little bit more of this Mario spray. So So with the Tarte palette, I'm gonna go ahead and go in the shade Sand and highlight my brow bone. Okay, so with the fluffy brush I used to set my face, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face with the Hulu bronzer a little bit, just to kind of bring warmth back into our face. So now I'm gonna use my Better Than Sex mascara and apply mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and be using my wispy lashes from they're the Wispies. I believe there's a 600. Oh, from Ardell lashes. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them dry for a second, and I'm gonna go ahead and using my velour tweezers. Now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly put on the other ones. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this orange shadow that we used under our lash line. So before I put on mascara, we're gonna go ahead with the lips. So I'm using the Milani lipstick in the shade 80 Matte Dreamy in this color. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my mascara. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more yellow into my inner tear duct just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. Alright, now to highlight my face, I'm gonna be using the Carli Bybel palette and taking the kind of pinkish shader on here and just using my Morphe M179 to just highlight the highest points of my face. And just again spray at the end, just so your face won't be so cakey and everything. Alright, and this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. I hope the video came out good, the quality, hopefully the sun wasn't too bright or too dark. So if you guys want to see more future videos of mine, go ahead and just subscribe down below and watch some of the videos that I have uploaded. I'll put them up in the little cards. And yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and like it. I enjoyed filming this for you guys, and I hope you guys recreate this look. I loved filming it, and yeah, I think it turned out pretty nice. So if you guys like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as I said already, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.